This aircraft is a stunning 2018 turbocharged Generation 6 Cirrus SR22T GTS, serial number 1811, the ideal airplane for many missions. It combines all available features for an amazing experience. The Cirrus SR22 is the best-selling general aviation airplane in the world, and the GTS is the Cirrus SR22 flagship. It is engineered to give you the freedom to go where you want, when you want, and do it with advanced technological innovation, exhilarating performance, and unprecedented style. At the front of this airplane is a Continental TSIO 550K turbocharged 315 horsepower engine with a Hartzell 3-blade lightweight composite propeller. Inspired by the unmistakable style of the most legendary sports cars, the Carbon Appearance Design Suite delivers a stunning ramp presence. It features a sterling and mantis green exterior with lunar gray leather interior. Additional interior details such as jet black air vents, carbon fiber instrument panel, and premium leather bolstered seats complete its striking look. With its bright LED exterior lighting and the Cirrus Spectra wingtip lighting, the airplane is visible from miles away. The dual side yoke controls of the Cirrus give the airplane a sporty feel while creating more open space in front of the pilot and passenger. Factory air conditioning and Rosen sun visors will keep you cool during your flight. This turbocharged airplane can fly as high as 25,000 feet, while all occupants are able to utilize the built-in oxygen system. It is equipped with the Garmin Perspective Plus, which incorporates many significant features including synthetic vision, ESP, yaw dampener, EVS, ADS-B, and ETOS. It also has a second air data computer and digital 4-in-1 standby instrument display. The Perspective Global Connect will keep you and your passengers connected with worldwide satellite phone and text messaging capabilities. The Garmin FlightStream 510 allows for wireless transfer of flight plans between your iPad and the airplane, while the GMA 350C audio panel provides integrated Bluetooth connectivity. You will be able to increase your flying flexibility and capability with the Tanis engine preheater and Cirrus known ice protection system. For increased safety, Cirrus includes the proven Cirrus airframe parachute system in addition to front seat airbags and energy-absorbing seats. Not only is it fast, safe, and comfortable, the Cirrus is a blast to fly. Find your adventure in this iconic Cirrus SR22T G6 GTS. For more information or to schedule your private showing, please contact HPA at 866-227-8149 or visit flyhpa.com.